I just got activated my trade, my buy stop just got activated just now, and trade was sent to my group. You see, I sent this particular trade to the Signal group, so everybody should be in currently now. So we're currently in profits, and let's just see how the trade plays out. So I expect it to just drive. I'm expecting to just cash around since it's Friday. I'm gonna think I hold it to full TP. Once I see around 15, 20, 25 p, that's where I'm looking to close my positions. So let's see how the trade plays out. I think my stop loss is around 20, 23, 24 pip. Well, I'm going to be managing my stop aggressively if the 15 minutes close bearish or start breaking its own low. So I'm going to manage aggressively because I think at this low is around 15 pip. So this is the level I've drawn now. So looking at this 15 minutes, this current 5 minutes candle, and this is the last 5 minutes of the candle. So I basically want the 15 minutes to close bullish. I don't want to close bearish. So I'll allow it to play out. And if you start breaking these lows, this is where I'm going to close my positions. But let's see, I'll allow it play out. I'll just allow it play out and see how it closes. Then I'll react from there. Minutes to dry because this is a London section, so I expect volume, a lot of volume during the London session. So if you can get a drive, it should be good, so price can keep pushing upwards. So that's it. Close bullish, the candle is bullish, so I like the way the candle close. So what's going to happen right now on the 15 is if price breaks its own low around this level, that's why I'll look to start. That will look to close 50% when it breaks this low. So from this point, I expect price to drive above because it close above this level, this 50 minutes structure here. So this is more like a fake out continuation to price start pushing upward. bearish or something. From this price point, just keep driving bullish. It's 8 pip, almost at 10. So let me tell the team to move that stop loss to break even. The moment price gets to 10, let me tell them to move stop. Yeah, I'll be closing one of my position here. So like I said, once it gets to like 10 pip, I'm going to close one position and allow my runners run to like 20 pip. So let's just see how that one plays out. We're approaching level resistance. That's why I try to close part of my positions, but let's see if price can drive and break above and keep pushing upwards. $20 pip. So this is what 23 pip. So this is what I'm looking to close. So let me update the group and tell them that let's start closing some positions. 15 pip in profit. So and I'm about to close. Yeah, profit secured. That's it. So I'm going to be breaking down this trade so you guys see how exactly I was able to place a trade on this trade. Trade was off the 30 minutes, or you can say the 4 hours as well, because it was a bullish continuation, because I know the trend is bullish. So I traded based on price continuous move, and I just felt like the 4-hour candle just came to drive liquidity, and we're testing some levels so you can drive upward. And looking at the 4 hours, you can see it's the candle is flipping bullish now, which I anticipated it, because when I entered it just see bearish, it was a bearish candle. And the daily is also bullish. Daily is a bullish trend as well. The bullish trend. So I just feel like this is like a retest for price to push up and continue moving up, because the daily candle closed above this level. So I feel like this is just grabbing liquidity so price can flip and continue pushing upward. But looking at the 30 minutes, which was my entry candle, now I entered the candle based on the 30 and 15 minutes, and this was London volume. We just entered the London section, so I anticipate price to drive once there's volume in the market. So it was enter the trade based on fake out. This would have been my initial entry if I've seen the price on time. This would have been when I look to enter the price market, but or somewhere around here. But I was not active then. When I just cut up, I just saw this candlestick was forming, and on the 15 minutes as well, it was giving me something I like. So on the 15 minutes, price closed above this level, so I saw it as a fake out, and anticipate that if price should break above this high, is going to drive my stop loss below the structure. That's exactly what I did, and price moves. As you can see, I posted it on my free Telegram, and price made money. So that's it. See you guys in the next one. Follow for more.